Imagine being told you're too different to succeed. But Kareem Abdul-Jabbar didn't let those words define him. Born in Harlem, New York, as Lou Alcindor, his height made him a target of criticism from a young age. He faced ridicule and challenges growing up in a tough neighborhood. But instead of backing down, he found solace in the game of basketball, a game where his height would soon become his greatest asset. Day after day, he practiced relentlessly, perfecting the skyhook shot that would become unstoppable. Despite setbacks, injuries, and racial discrimination, he kept pushing forward. When he entered the NBA, he faced fierce competition. Many doubted his ability to sustain his dominance, but Kareem proved them wrong. 6 NBA championships, 6 MVP awards, and the title of the all-time leading scorer for many years. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar's name became synonymous with greatness. Remember, success isn't about where you start, but how far you're willing to go. Follow Kareem's example. When the world doubts you, keep pushing and become a hero in your story.